Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Search Console for keyword tracking, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Search Console website. Sign in using your Google account credentials. If you haven't already added your website, click on the Start Now button. Select Add Property to enter your website URL. Choose the appropriate property type, either the domain or URL prefix option, based on your preference. After entering your website URL, click Continue. Once your property is added, verify ownership of your site by selecting your preferred verification method. Follow the instructions provided for the verification method you choose. After successful verification, you'll see your website listed in your Search Console account. Click on your website to access the dashboard. Now, navigate to the performance report located on the left sidebar. This report provides insights into your website's search performance. You can view queries, clicks, impressions, and average position metrics. To track specific keywords, scroll down to the Queries section. Click on the queries you want to focus on for deeper insights. You can toggle date ranges to analyze trends over specific periods. Next, go to the Search Results tab to assess how your website ranks for those keywords. Look for opportunities to improve click-through rates by analyzing the impression-to-click ratio. To set up email alerts for keyword performance, click on the Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner. Choose Search Console Settings and then Performance Notifications. Fill in your email address to start receiving updates. Remember to regularly check your Search Console for any changes or new insights. Consider creating a regular schedule for analyzing keyword performance. This ongoing tracking empowers you to adjust your SEO strategy effectively. Once you've familiarized yourself with the dashboard, you'll be better equipped to utilize its features for maximum benefit. Take advantage of the links section to understand which sites link to yours and how that influences your keyword rankings. Utilizing the coverage report will help identify indexing issues that may affect keyword visibility. By consistently monitoring and adjusting based on this data, you'll enhance your website's performance in search rankings. This concludes the configuration of Google Search Console for keyword tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.